Hey, what's up, refinance holder? In last 24 hours, you can see my friend Wix, refinance will get 1.72% profit. I think that's really unbelievable and massive pump occurring. You can see here, and I hope my friend the price will more increase. But if we are starting holding, if we are starting selling, so definitely the price will more falls down. So therefore, I will tell you to please hold down. Otherwise, they will never give you a profit. My friends, I already predicate this coin. Therefore, my friend, I just shortly predicate this coin for you, my friends, to you will better understand now. So please, holder, you will need now, my friends, to hold down. I hope if you are starting holding, so I hope they will give you a profit. But if you are starting selling, so they will never give you a profit and they will very badly falls down. So try to understand, holder. Please do this what I tell you. I hope you will better understand. My friend, in upcoming time, refinance price will more pumping up, but if you are start hold and market cap is increasing, my friend, when a holder are starting investing. So therefore, if you are starting investing, if you have any plan, now invest in those days because price is increasing, the price is very cheap. So I think this is my opinion for all of you to please invest now and hold now. I hope my friends refinance will give you increasing and they will give you a very good profit. Just only it's very good, my friend, for a short time investor. Everybody knows this, my friends. Refinance is very good coin for a short time investor. So therefore, I just share my opinion. My opinion is clear, my friend, for all of you to please hold on. But if you are starting selling, remember to in the start of month every coin will fails down, but refinance will get a profit. You can see the first week 8.94% they will the price is increased now. So I think it's not a short pump, it's a very huge pump, and I hope they will take a more this type pumps. But if we are just hold now, so hold now, I hope refinance will give you a profit. See you next time, refinance holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you next time. Please like video and subscribe channel.